Hello, coders. Welcome back to Scratch Programming for Kids. Today we'll build your first real game, a jumping cat game. Step 1. Open a new project and rename it Jumping Cat Game. Step 2. Choose a nice backdrop, like a forest or a city. Step 3. Click your cat sprite. Now, go to the coding area and add when space key pressed. Change Y by 50. Wait 0.3 seconds. Change I by -50. This makes your cat jump when you press the space bar. Step 4. Add another sprite, like a rock or obstacle. Make it move from right to left using colon forever. Change X by -5. Step 5. Add an if statement. If touching obstacle, say, game over for 2 seconds. Try playing your game now. Wow, you just made your cat jump over obstacles. Don't forget to test it and make the jump perfect. Great work! You just created your first playable game. Like this video if your cat can jump super high. See you in the next lesson. We'll add music and sound effects.